Long ago, in a deep green forest, there lived a mighty lion. He was strong, fearless, and the king of all animals. Yet, even kings can feel lonely.
Everyone fears me, but no one stays.
One sunny morning, a tiny mouse came running through the grass, unaware that he was heading straight toward danger.
Oh, sorry.
The lion opened one eye. With a single move, he could end the mouse's life.
Why should I spare you?
The mouse was small, but his heart was brave.
One day, I might help you.
The lion laughed. How could someone so tiny help a king? But kindness touched his heart.
Go, little one.
Days passed, and one evening, danger crept silently into the forest.
Help!
Far away, the little mouse stopped. That voice, he knew it.
That voice? It's him!
The mouse remembered the day his life was spared, and he knew what he must do. Tiny teeth can do great work when courage leads the way.
Now it's my turn.
Snap! The net fell apart, and the king was free.
Almost there.
In that moment, the lion learned something new.
You saved me. True strength comes in all sizes.
And from that day on, the lion and the mouse walked the forest together, for they had learned a truth.
Kindness is never wasted.